This video will describe how to incorporate barriers into your network analysis. The example that we'll utilize will be a tornado path going through the county. So just like before, we're going to identify locations, and I will identify three stop, or at least a point of origin, 3 stops along the way, and a final destination that we're going to model. So that means it's going to be a new route. So I go to Network Analyst drop-down, click on New Route, and you see the changes take place there. I'll open up the Network Analyst window, and that's all set. And now I'm going to put a couple points down. I'm going to click on my Create Network Location tool because I don't have any to bring in from a layer per se. So I click on that tool, and let's begin again. Let's just say I start here, and then I wanted to go over here, and then maybe over here, and then finally, last 2, I'll put one here and one here. Okay. So total graphic picks, I got 5 here. Now, if I clicked on Solve here in the Network Analyst window, we would get a route. But we want to bring in this simulated tornado path. So in the Network Analyst window, you're going to see that there is the option here for polygon barriers. I'm going to right-click on polygon barriers. Now, for your purposes, if it is point or line, just please be aware of the nature of the GIS data, and that's where you'd go and do the same thing that I would be doing here for polygon barriers. I right-click on polygon barriers, and I load locations. So I go to Load Locations, and in the table of contents, you can see I loaded up Tornado Path Area, so it knew what it was going for. And if it wasn't there in the drop-down, you could browse to anywhere in your computer or in the network to get that. And then I click OK. Boom. Now you see that there is this polygon, but there's a hatching here. There's a striped hatching that goes across, and it's red, and it's translucent, so it's a little bit different. And now, with that added into the network, I'm going to click here in the Network Analyst toolbar. I'm going to click on Solve, the Solve button. And there you see what happens. The network negotiated the obstacle and went around it.